Hey everyone, you've just deposited a hefty check into your Ally Bank account. You're eagerly awaiting that sweet balance update. But wait, where's the money? You've checked your account a million times, and it's still empty. What's going on? Hook. Today, we're diving deep into the Ally Bank deposit process, and we're going to answer the burning question: where does your Ally Bank deposit go, and when can you expect to see it in your account? Building context. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about Ally Bank itself. It's an online bank, which means it doesn't have physical branches like traditional banks. This can sometimes lead to confusion when it comes to deposits. Ally Bank deposit methods. There are a few ways to deposit money into your Ally Bank account. Mobile check deposit. This is probably the most common method. You simply take a picture of the front and back of your check using your smartphone, and Ally Bank processes it. Pros: convenient, fast, and secure. Cons: can be limited by your phone's camera quality and network connection. ATM deposits. Ally Bank has partnerships with certain ATMs where you can deposit cash or checks. Pros: easy, especially if you're already near an ATM. Cons: may involve fees, depending on the ATM network. Mail-in deposits. You can mail a check to Ally Bank's address. Pros: simple if you prefer traditional methods. Cons: can take longer to process. Where does your deposit go? Once you've made a deposit, it doesn't magically appear in your account. It goes through a process called clearing. This is when the bank verifies that the check is legitimate and the funds are available. The clearing time can vary depending on the deposit method and the check's condition. For example, mobile check deposits are usually processed faster than mail-in deposits. When can you expect to see your money? Ally Bank states that most deposits are processed within 2 to 3 business days. However, there are a few factors that can affect this timeline. Check type. Cashier's checks and certified checks typically clear faster than personal checks. Check amount. Larger checks may take longer to verify. Weekend or holiday deposits. Deposits made on weekends or holidays may not be processed until the next business day. Troubleshooting deposit issues. If you've made a deposit and it's taking longer than expected to appear in your account, here are a few things you can do. Check your account. Make sure you're looking at the correct account. Contact Ally Bank. Customer service can help you track your deposit and resolve any issues. Additional tips for Ally Bank deposits. Take clear images. When using mobile check deposit, ensure your images are well lit and free of shadows. Endorse your check. Always endorse the back of your check before depositing it. Keep a record. Maintain copies of your deposit slips or images for your records. Conclusion. So, where does your Ally Bank deposit go? It goes through a clearing process to verify its legitimacy. The time it takes to appear in your account depends on various factors, including the deposit method and the check's condition. By understanding the Ally Bank deposit process and following these tips, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. End. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Ally Bank or online banking in general, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.